Welcome back to the Financial Independence Network channel. Today we'll be discussing the top 10 growth stocks. To navigate this roller coaster ride of economic uncertainty, the brainiacs at CFRA Research have come to the rescue. They've identified 10 growth stocks that have been growing like weeds on steroids. We're talking about big names like Microsoft Corp., Alphabet Inc., Amazon.com Inc., Nvidia Corp., and more. You know, the cool kids in the stock market playground. But first, make sure to like and subscribe. First, Microsoft, the giant software company that keeps on growing. They managed a 7% increase in revenue, and things are only looking up from here. Analysts predict even more growth as Microsoft takes over the world with its cloud-based model. They're expecting revenue increases of 11% in 2024 and 12% in 2025. Cha-ching! Next, Alphabet, the parent company of Google and YouTube. These guys reported a modest 3% revenue growth in the first quarter, but don't let that fool you. Their Google Cloud segment saw a massive 28% growth spurt. Analysts think Alphabet is sitting pretty for some sustainable annual revenue growth ranging from 6% to 11%. Talk about being in the money. Don't forget Amazon, the king of e-commerce and cloud services. They've been a growth stock superstar for ages. Experts predict glorious upside in margins and profits as Amazon dominates e-commerce and digital advertising. Get ready to swim in the cash, my friends. Now Nvidia, the high-end semiconductor manufacturer, analysts are waving their magic wands and foresee a growth uptick, especially Nvidia's data center business. They're even throwing around numbers like a 59% revenue growth in fiscal 2024. Who said semiconductors were boring? Meta Platforms. They bounced back in Q1 with 3% growth. Analysts see long-term growth opportunities in artificial intelligence, Reels, and metaverse investments. They're projecting revenue growth that's juicier than a ripe watermelon, hitting 5.5% in 2023, 10% in 2024, and 11% in 2025. Now let's shift gears to Tesla, the poster child of electric vehicles. Tesla's new factories in Texas and Germany are ready to unleash a storm of growth. Analysts are predicting revenue growth rates of 28% in 2023 and a mind-blowing 30% in 2024. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to hit ludicrous speed. Next, good old Chevron, the global oil major. Oil stocks aren't typically associated with high growth, but guess what? Favorable energy market conditions have lifted Chevron to new heights. They're projected to maintain a whopping 45% increase from pre-pandemic levels in 2019. It's like striking liquid gold. On to Pfizer. Sales were through the roof. Without the COVID-related sales, analysts are expecting Pfizer to achieve a healthy 7% to 9% revenue growth this year. Get ready for some rocket-fueled growth. Up next, Salesforce, the cloud-based CRM software wizard. They reported 11% revenue growth and 610% net income growth in Q1. Holy moly, Batman! With an attractive valuation, analysts believe Salesforce has the power to enhance profitability and gobble up market share. They're projecting revenue growth of 9% to 11% through at least fiscal 2026. Lastly, Adobe, the mastermind behind creative content software and marketing applications. They achieved record sales and a 9% revenue growth in Q1. Analysts predict even more growth for Adobe's content creation app sales. With a growing army of creative professionals and a bag full of cross-selling opportunities, they're looking at annual growth of at least 13%. That concludes our video. Please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.